think it's about to hatch. Hello, is it some mother in there? Ta-da! Who are you? I am Dee, and I am Doo. But what's your name? I don't know. I don't have any name. You are blue. You're a monster. A kind monster, though. How about Blue Mo? Blue like the color, and Mo like monster. Kind monster. Do you want to come to our Easter celebration? And what is Easter?